So friends, I'm start the new topic on video. Computer hardware my series completely in course start free of cost. You can watch my videos. So basic computer knowledge, computer different type. I'm already created already videos. So watch my video part wise. Okay, computer full name, computer power. I'm just small give introduction, but I will continue SMPs in very deeply, showing how many type and different category wise divide computer powers. So basic computer parts. I'm already talk about basic parts, type of computer devices, and different these computer input output devices and keyboard, mouse, and hardware parts. Now third topic, continue monitor. I'm already talk about I'm already discussed mouse and keyboard and monitor. After I talk about CPUs, motherboards, RAM, hard disks, and other types. Okay, because this is my all of free of cost. You want knowledge for computer habits, so you can watch my video. My all video part was here. So mouse devices, input devices. I'm different time already give these introductions and how work CPU, how work optical mouse and touchpad type, how working here, sensor type mouse and other type mouse you can see here. Keyboard technologies, how made these technologies here. I'm already told and I'm already created this video. Watch my previous video, very important for you. Without you cannot understand. So tips of our keyboard safety and different monitor types. So these four type available in market: CRT monitor, LCD, LED, plasma, OLED, 4K LED, projector system, and rear projector system. So today I'll talk about CRT monitor and what is a CRT monitor. So let's start this video. So first, before you watch this video, important for you watch my previous video. Click on subscribe, click on like button and subscribe. So any you want any question, so comment me here. So start this video. CRT monitor. What is a CRT monitor? This old generation display using this type monitor and some side now this type here, this type monitor here, this old generation type this computer and this old type now here. So you may be this watching this monitor, this old generation CRT technology using in this monitor. So we are discussed now technologies. Cathode ray tube. This CRT inside cathode ray tube, a CRT full name. So CRT full name is cathode ray tube is the electronic beams in a monitor that move across U screen either interlanced or non-interlanced. So that is a very different type electronic beams, means red, green and blue, three type color beams. I will discuss in next some videos very deeply. So move across screen either infected or non-infected, hitting phosphorus dots, that means phosphorus gas inside this tube and inside glass tube. So the picture is example of the inside of a computer monitor that shows the CRT connected to the screen. So you can see as in CRT monitor phosphorus gas inside and electronic beams So I will discuss in next video electronic guns, but today I'm CRT monitor discuss. So this technology maybe this time using here because it is older generation technologies here 1970 to 1950 1999 type so 1971 to start this old generation type CRT monitors and technologies here. So CRT monitor this type inside looking in body you can see just here. So this is a CRT cathode ray tube. This called cathode ray tube. See here these electronic gun. This important part of all of here. Okay. So this printer circuit board. The printer circuit board means this is all of controlling data and you watch your computer inside what is the process in your computer. So that is a signal capture and showing by electronic on cathode ray tube. And these left side you can see power supply means these CRT monitor power here. So this is cathode ray tube. We are discussing here only all of CRT monitor inside parts. So this is cathode ray tube. Inside you can see just here in phosphorus gas cathode ray tube. This here electronic gun. This is very important for some some engineer not showing you these important parts. But this is electronic gun behind some very controlling part of electronic gun electronic circuit board. And yoke means one type of a magnetic field on changing here. So this is a very systems complicated, but I'm just showing is a very simple line. So you can see just this part means your electronic beams, this part here. Okay, so this part inside this picture here you can see here. So cathode this means cathode one type of system or one type of materials, and electronic beams means laser one type of using here. This is a black and white technologies. First monitor and first TV coming black and white. That means not coloring, not color showing here. So you can give corner grid. Okay, corner grid see here. And this is a very part of accelerating node and focusing node. So this is a one by one changing here. It is a completely this part changing here. Okay, but this is a completely this being small to big here. Okay, so any picture laser beam through coming here and after coming here, so that is a electronic gun here. Okay, and this laser light type controlling all of your data showing this screen here. So this is a very maintain different locations here. So electronic beams. So this is a electronic beam here. So electronic beams, these move up and this move left to right. So this up down and this left to right. So that is a coil. Some coils you can see here yoke side, this side here, this part here. Okay, in this part here. So this is a inside moving in one by one line to line. This is picture showing you. This is very important and very fast process here. Cathode these cathode ray tube inside phosphorus gas here. Okay, so electronic beams this side here you can see just as here. So this sending everything lasers and controlling here. So I'm just showing here in the CRT are 3 electronic guns, red, green and blue. Okay, so this is a color technology showing here. Each of these guns trains a steady flow of electrons. Steady flow electrons means every gun These flow electrons left to right means this, and up to down. So for each line of your monitor, so that is a left to right everything this type. Okay, monitor your create your pictures. So as the electron hit the phosphorus on CRT, on the CRT, this means CRT phosphorus gas inside, and this heat CRT monitor here. The CRT phosphorus will glow certain instances as a new line begins. So that means you are create new line begins. First CRT beams here, and after create here, and after create here. So one by one lines to draw here on your screens. So the gun will be begin at the left and continue right, left to continue right. Okay, so this gun will repeat this process sometimes thousands of times until the screen is completely drawn line by line. Thousand times very fastly these screen draw and one line by line. So this is a very uncomplicated technologies here, but I'm just talking about color CRT monitor, color TV, CRT color TV technology. So cathode ray tube, you can see here these pictures inside three type electronic guns. In this case only one type of guns, black and white CRT, but electronic CRT monitor, color CRT technology, electron guns, and three type laser beams. So color signals by coming through here, this system here. Okay, electron gun, these systems here, and three type electronic guns here. So red, green, and blue, and inside every three color continue these control by these systems here. You can see here this system here. Okay, as it is same, but black and white CRT monitor one cathode one electronic beams, electronic gun one, but coloring side coloring three type electronic guns. So picture tip inside electronic beams and marks is one type of actually completely calculate how much size these color flow and beams on screen. So this is this technology color CRT monitor inside electron gun, you can see here, in these electronic beams. Okay, so inner magnetic seal, you can see here, this is a inner magnetic seal, and shadow marks. Shadow marks is one type of fix of line by line beams here, and funnel glass. This is funnel glass outside black glass, and flame, you can see here. This is a flame controlling your lighting. Okay, and panel glass means front glass, and phosphorus screens, phosphorus gas inside phosphorus screen. So again as one type of a completely show here. This is a one means electronic guns, means electronic beams, red, green, and blue. These three type only showing electronic three type colors, and mixed up these here second. This is electronic your part of a system here. You can see these accelerating mode. So accelerator mode is a system here. This accelerator mode, one up down and second left to right. Fifth is showing a seal, inner magnetic seal. These automatically move up and down, not directly, because this magnetic field outside up and down side track systems here. Okay, and 6 is a uh, different your phosphorus gas inside. 7th is showing here your shadow marks, and 8 is completely beams line by lines phosphorus screens here. Okay, so this is CRT monitor, very important for old generation time, but I will discuss in CRT monitor history next time video. So thanks for watching my video. This history of CRT monitor, how created CRT monitor, and I will discuss in next one video. So click on like button, click on bell icon, and subscribe my channel. And any questions, so comment me. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. I will discuss in next video CRT monitor history and process. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.